Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today we are going to make restaurant style baked potato at home. These potatoes, guys, they are crispy on the outside, extra fluffy in the middle, and made with only 4 simple ingredients. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, wash the potatoes. Use a scrub brush. Scrub really good. Then wash it off. Place the potatoes in a bowl. Then we're gonna drizzle with olive oil. Season generously with salt and black pepper. I prefer to use sea salt or kosher salt. Table salt is fine too, guys. Rub salt all over the potatoes, then wrap with a foil. The reason I wrap potatoes, it actually steams the potatoes. But if you want to achieve crispy skin, ditch the foil, poke your potatoes with a fork, about 6 holes all around on each potato, and bake them. Next, we are going to pop this in the center rack in the oven and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour 20 minutes. The potatoes are out of the oven. I'm gonna take one, cut it open, and show you how it looks inside, guys. This is the perfect baked potato that is extra fluffy inside. Use the fork to fluff up the potato. My favorite toppings are a dab of butter and sour cream. Then I'll garnish with parsley or scallions. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so we stay connected, and don't forget to like the video. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.